Thanksgiving wasn't always turkey and pumpkin pie. What we think happened is that in September of 1620, the Mayflower left Plymouth, England for the mouth of the Hudson River. Tumultuous storms blew them off course, and they arrived at Cape Cod 2 months later. Winter was terrible, and most of the new arrivals weathered the cold on the ship. Since things sucked back then, only half of the Mayflower's passengers survived the winter. In March of 1621, the Pilgrims came ashore, where they received a visit from a Native American named Squanto. But let's rewind a few years. Squanto had been sold into slavery by explorers, twice. First to the English and then to Spain, but each time finding his way back to America. The explorers had brought diseases that had killed over half of the indigenous population living along the coast, including Squanto's entire tribe, leading him to join the neighboring Wampanoag people. He taught the Pilgrims how to grow corn, farm sap from trees, and generally survive in their new home. November 1621, the Pilgrims' harvest was plentiful, and Governor William Bradford organized a feast inviting the Wampanoag. The first Thanksgiving lasted 3 days, with fowl, corn, and deer on the menu. But the colonists had already used all of their sugar, so no pumpkin pie, no candied apples, or whatever that cranberry stuff is. The festival ushered in one of the only examples of colonists and Native Americans living together peacefully. It only became an annual celebration in 1863 when President Abraham Lincoln proclaimed last Thursday, November, a day of national Thanksgiving.